What's up, guys? Welcome to Easy Kitchen Labs. I have something very special cooking today. Probably the most ordered dish at any Indian restaurant. I picked up these boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and I'm going to be making butter chicken. It's a good amount of work, but I promise it's well worth it and more delicious than anything you're going to find at the restaurant. Now that my chicken is cubed into bite-sized pieces, it's mixed in with the marinade, you want to let this sit between 30 minutes or even overnight. So I'm probably going to let this sit in the fridge for about 4 hours. Still pretty early.